Hello, my name is Syarah Najihah binti hanapiah. I'm from class 24. My student number is 2022618046. Today, I will talk about this experiment called linear motion. I will present to you the introduction of this experiment.
Hi, my name is NURINA binti NASIR. My student ID is 2022@46214, and in this experiment I will explain about discussion.
Hi, Assalamualaikum, and my name is NURULAIN binti RUDY, and I'm from group 24, and my student ID is 2022x69736. And on this experiment, I want to talk about the conclusion.
Hi, my name is NURULAIN binti HASHIM. My ID student is 2022-486-178. I'm from group ES 120 and 124. I will explain about the result part.
Hi, my name is FARISHA binti SHARIMAN. I'm from class 24. My ID number is 2022892882. And today I'm going to present to you the objective of the experiment linear motion and the apparatus used in the experiment.
Hi, my name is SAYYIDATUL ASSIKIN binti IDROS. I'm from A4 AS 120-124. My student ID is 2022x69224. I will explain procedure parts.
The objective of this experiment is to use linear A-track to investigate Newton's second law of motion.
This experiment is referring to Newton's second law of motion, but I will tell you about the type of Newton's law of motion. The first Newton's law of motion is called Newton's first law of motion. An object at rest will remain at rest, moving with constant velocity in a straight line unless it is driven by an external force. The second is Newton's second law of motion. It's the relation between acceleration and force. Acceleration is proportional to force by inversely proportional to the mass. The third is Newton's third law of motion. When two objects interact, they apply force to each other in equal magnitude and opposite direction.
Next, these are the apparatus used in the experiment of linear motion. First is the A-track rail, second is the photo gates, third is the mazes. Fourth is the glider and its adjuster, fifth is pulley, sixth flag, and the last one is photo gate, timer, and the blower.
Today, I want to explain about procedure. First, we must to set of linear air-track is installed as shown in the pictures. After that, we must to switch on the pump and let the air blow through the track for several minutes. The track are adjusted by screw on the track feet so that the glider remains stationary and does not slide to either end when released. In addition, a hook is inserted at one end and a flare on the glider. The mass of the suspension is measured and recorded and the length of the flap. One end of the string is attached to the hanger and the other end to the glider. A mass of 20 grams is placed on a hanger and a string is placed on a pulley. The glider is placed right before the photo gate. The glider is released and the indicator on the photo gate is recorded. Please note, to prevent the mass from hitting the floor and scattering, catch the glider with your hand before the hanger reaches the floor. 2 times are repeated again to get the average time value. And the last one, the procedure was repeated 4 more times with 20 grams each added to the hanger.
Now, I will present about the result we have obtained. The table below is the result we obtained from the experiment we have conducted. We have determined the length of flag and the mass of hanger as written on the slide. Finally, we have also recorded the total of load, mass on hanger, time taken, square of the time taken, total mass of hanger and slotted mass, weight of hanger and slotted mass, and the acceleration.
Next, the discussion of this experiment is Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object is directly related to the net force and inversely related to its mass. Acceleration of an object depends on two things, force and mass. The heavier the slotted mass, the slower the movement time of the gliders on the air track rail. Next, experiment errors that might happen while we do this experiment is human errors. Because we do the experiment carelessly, which is we did not set the digital counter to 0 and release the gliders. Then, the resulting reading turned out to be inaccurate. Other than that, when we do this experiment, we did not let the air blow through the track thoroughly. These actions will affect the resistance. Lastly, the improvement that can be made in this experiment is to repeat the experiment to get accurate results and avoid getting wrong readings.
So, for the conclusion, objective is accepted. From this experiment, we found the experiment linear motion was successful and the objective of the experiment was achieved. Based on data that we got, we can determine displacement, velocity, and acceleration of linear motion.